So, are you in your healing era? I'm going to push back on that because our healing era shouldn't be about fixing us because there's nothing wrong with you. A lot of times, especially with everything going on in social media today, we hear about all of the things we can do to fix where we are. And I'm here to tell you, you have everything that you need. You just need to remember who you were before the world told you who you needed to be. I'm Kathy. I'm the owner of Monarch Therapies, and I am a trauma therapist who's NLP certified. And you can connect with us at our website. You can call, you can text, you can fill out a contact form. I look forward to hearing from you. So let's talk about this healing era that we're in. There's a lot of really good people out there talking about all of the things that you can do to fix where you are. And again, I'm here to tell you, you don't need to be fixed. You have everything you need inside of you. You just need to remember that. There's one of the things that you can do to get back to that person is doing a little bit of grounding or mindfulness. Now, a lot of times when I say grounding or mindfulness, people are like, I don't want to meditate or I don't do yoga. And I'm here to tell you that's not what it is. I mean, it is, it can be, and it's a really great way to do that. And it can be as simple as sitting back and thinking about, I don't know, what did you used to like to do when you were 7? What are some of the things that brought you joy? Watching your kid or another kid that's in the neighborhood or at a park and just looking at and remembering when you felt that way as they're playing. So going back to what brought you joy, what brought you silliness, what brought you peace, and then looking at what is just one thing that I can do to evoke those feelings again. It can be as simple as taking a walk and just engaging one of your senses and like hearing. You ever taken a walk and all of a sudden you're at the end of your block and you're like, I don't even know how I got here? Okay. So try it again. And now try to hear all of the sounds that you can hear. You'd be surprised at how many sounds there are in your neighborhood. And then I want you to think about, where have you heard those before? Where have I heard those before in a time where I was just really happy, or a time where I had a lot of fun? And let those sensory triggers, I like to call them glimmers, help you get back to who you really are. So I'm not here to fix you. I'm here to just challenge you to dig deep, because it's in there. That inner child part of you can lead you back to that healthier version of you. You just have to listen. So again, you can contact us if you'd like, take this conversation a little further. You can go to our website, you can text, you can call. And as always, I see you and I love it. And I'll talk to you later.